Hey y'all, so I was being a bit lazy this week, so I didn't feel like filming an intro, so sadly you guys will not get to see my beautiful face, but let me share what I picked up for groceries this week. So I did end up going to Walmart, just Walmart this week. I had a lot of non-grocery items to pick up, like shampoo, things like that, so I just decided just to get the groceries at Walmart too instead of running over to Aldi. So I picked up 2 4-packs of strawberry banana yogurt and then a box of Special K. I was out of adobo seasoning, so I picked a large jar of that up. I think this was only $1.50. It had been a while since I picked up any, and I like to use that on veggies and cauliflower rice, homemade mac and cheese. Picked up a big thing of Parmesan cheese, some strawberry preserves, some black beans, and some chili beans I'm going to make some chili this week. And then they were out of a lot of fruit at Walmart this week also, so I picked up a couple cans of pears in 100% juice. We still have a couple of apples left, so I might have to run somewhere else midweek. We'll see. I got a bag of Italian shredded cheese, and then I bought a box of onion soup mix and a small container of sour cream to mix with it. I want to make a little bit of onion dip. I got a big bag of pepperonis. I like to snack on pepperonis, and we also like to make homemade pizza and pizza bowls. Got some broccoli florets and a bag of chicken strips. And then they also had the Christmas tree cake ice cream for $1. And we tried the regular one last year, so I picked up the chocolate version for everyone else to try. Got a big bag of Tutti Fruttis, which is basically Fruit Loops with marshmallows. I did pick up 2 bags of marshmallows because I have a couple boxes of Rice Krispies that I got at the Dollar Tree last week, so I'm going to make some Rice Krispie treats. Got a couple bags of butter lettuce and an English cucumber. Got a 3-pack of tomatoes. This is like 1.5 pounds of tomatoes. They were $4, which I thought was kind of expensive. I bought a 4-pack of carrots. That way we could just open a pack as we need it instead of having a big pack open, and they tend to dry out in the fridge. So this way we could just open a little pack at a time. My kids wanted a couple of the microwave pizzas. They really like these for like after school snacks. I picked up 2 of those. And then I did pick up a box of the keto vanilla ratio yogurt. Got some apple juice, and then I just bought a big thing of olive oil. We go through olive oil so quickly, and I've just been buying the little containers from Aldi, so I just picked up a big one there. Then we got an 18-pack of eggs, and I've been craving a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, mainly peanut butter sandwich. And this isn't the cleanest thing on keto, and often I will make my bread from scratch, but I needed a shortcut this week, so I picked up some of the Keto Nature's Own. I got a box of small shells because everything is funner and cuter when it's tiny, so I got that to make some homemade mac and cheese. Got some rigatoni to make like some pepperoni pizza pasta. And I got this Nutrell granola. This is one of my favorite brands of keto granola, and they've never carried the honey nut at my Walmart before, so I picked that up so I could try that flavor. But all the other flavors I've tried are great. And then my girls really love the Kind protein breakfast bars. They like these for like a quick breakfast in the morning on the way out the door to school. And then we picked up an orange juice. And that was everything we got this week, and it was around $130, which I thought was kind of expensive considering there's no fruit and really no meat in this beside the chicken tenders and the pepperonis. But hey, that's what I get for not going to Aldi. So I hope you guys have a great week ahead, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!